guys, welcome to Wrenie Bird channel. This is me, Wrenie Bird here, and I got the big orange bag from Toys R Us and these two white bags from Target. And I'm going to be seeing what's in them. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to start with this bag. Oh, so cute! I got this puppy house. So adorable. It comes with a little doggy bowl and a toy. Put that right there. Okay, that bag's empty. Let's try this bag from Target. I'm gonna get this. Look! You can get an orange stone, a pink stone, a red stone, a blue stone. Don't know what that is, but a purple stone and a white stone. Some are tie-dye. I'm going to be doing that in another video. That's cool. I'm saving the best for last. Toys R Us. OMG! I'm going to be opening this in this video for sure. You can get... wait, it's upside down. You can get golden Shopkins and 5 backpacks. Like those Shopkins backpacks is what I'm thinking. And then also I got this elf pajamas. They kind of look like my elf. I told Mama Bird that I thought they looked like my elf. And then I untook these things. Where did that go? But because it dropped in the car. This came with 2 babies. They're attached, and I opened it already. The Mama Dalmatian looks like this. Like Mama Bird. Put this right here by the other dogs, keeping them company. And this is so cute. Hoot, hoot, cute, hoot. It's a bird like me. Hoot, hoot. Oh, little puzzle. I've always wanted one of these. A candy dispenser. Still gonna open that also, of course. Let's see. Oh, this is so adorable. So cute. Its name is, let me check. Cherry. I'm opening this too in this video. It's a Shopkins little frozen area set. You get to build it and it's Legos. You can mix and match their heads, I think. What's this? Oh, this is cool. I got the Pearl Shopkins. What's this? What's this? I've always wanted this. I'm totes opening this in my video. Yay. So, I love these things. Okay. I'm gonna put this to the side. What should I open first? I'm gonna open the candy. I feel like a little bit of candy. Let's see. Let me. Ooh, I can't wait to see. Okay, so what you do is I think you twist off this head and you get your candy opened. This. that's enough that I can put the lid back on. And there's like a little thing in there that has to line up there. And then, wait, no. Then you pull the head back out. Ah, wait. Why isn't it coming out? Oh, I got a sour green. I don't want that. Don't want that. Don't want that. I just want a red. Give me a red. Ah. Yeah. Pink, sour. Ooh, I want to try the blue. I got a blue. Sour, but that's kind of good. But that right there. I'm going to open for sure this next. Close, and I'll go get some scissors. Hi guys, I'm back, and I got it open. And let's reveal. Okay, so before I look, oh, that's very cool. Okay, before I look, these are the ones you can get. I have that one, I think. I still can't see, but whatever. So this is kind of like the checklist, so whatever. Okay, I got this one. This one is, they're not actually gold, they're actually really sparkly. So I got that. You can only get these colors and types in this. So, this if you want to. That one the glitter we're off of, but I'm fine with that. So this one's like kind of translucent. That's why it's not so glittery. I'm going to open one of the backpacks. I was right about, they don't have anything in them. I was not right about that, but I was right about the backpack. So you can only get this cheeky chocolate in here. And you can only get this furt beans in here. So let's see where furt beans is. Oh, there's Rock Brock. I hope I get Rock Brock. But where is furt beans? Oh, there's furt beans. Wait, right there. And then there's the see-through one. Where's Cheeky Chocolate? Right there. Here's a trick question. Where is Paul Pizza in here? Leave it down below in the comments. Okay, so I'm just gonna, maybe I won't have enough thing to take these two things in here, but I'll make another video to do all that. So, I got a toothbrush, I'm guessing this is. Yep, a toothbrush with toothpaste. Toothpaste glittery. I would like that toothpaste. Toothbrush. This one is the Bubble. I don't know her name, but that's another something that you can leave down in the comments. And hi. So basically, I don't know all my Shopkins yet. And this was backwards, so this is the one I got. Oh, I got Rock Brock! Yay! Rock Brock! Rocky Brocky. Rocky Brocky. Okay, I love Rock Brock. Rocky Brocka. Rock Brock. Yeah! They're all so glittery. I got Cheese. I don't know his name either, though. can leave down the name and what that is. And here's Slippy Lips. I've always wanted her. Mwah. Let's get the Rainbow Bite. Rainbow Bite. Match it up. Make sure it's right. Rainbow Bite. I wish it had like a little bite on its side, like cookie. And then here's a cupcake thing. Doohickey. Also, I got, what is this? Match it up. Where is it? It's right here. Don't know that name. Starts with an F though. So if you get this and you know its name, then leave it down in the comments down below. Got this one. I think it's ketchup. And also, let's get this. Got a drink. This is right here. It's winking. Are you winking at me? And here's Paw Pizza. See if you can remember that down below in the comments area. Oh, here's Lollipop. Lolly. I'm Lolly. I'm a Lolly. I'm a Lolly. I'm a Lolly. Ooh, here's another translusive. Probably wants to be by its buddy. I'm thinking this is a purse. Leave it down in the comments what you think it is. Ah, suntan lotion. Ah! Get back here. Sorry, I had that backwards. And here's a hot dog. What is this? Oh, this is toothpaste. Probably wants to be by the toothbrush. Oh, well, I got one more minute, so probably in the other video, I'll show you the rest. But let me show you this one. This is the same as this. So